Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix pending post on Facebook group. So if this is something that you want to be able to fix, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it myself. So for me, it was actually a bug. So what I had to do is to firstly close my Facebook app and instead go into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app. I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here, as you can see. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely update all the apps that I currently have on my iPhone right now. So now when it's done, just swipe up until you can see the search bar up top, click on search for Facebook in here and click on the Facebook app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds, so just keep waiting until you get to the next page where it says reinstall app. So yeah, now it says reinstall app here, so just click on it. And now just simply wait for your Facebook app to completely update to its latest version. So this actually completely fixed it for me. But let's say that maybe you are not the leader of a specific Facebook group, and you actually have posted something there and it's still pending approval and you don't know why, well, that means that the leader of the group hasn't yet approved it. So there's nothing we can do really until they approve it themselves. So you have to wait for the leader of the group to approve it basically. You can of course also message, if you're friends with that specific person, you can message them and ask them to approve it. But if they don't, then there is nothing we can actually do to fix that specific problem, just so you know.